Quick video today, everyone. I just wanted to showcase a cool art installation in Scottsdale, Arizona called Water to Water. This is at the city's water campus and celebrates, well, water. The stuff that gives life in the desert. Basically, when you walk up to the installation, it'll sense that you're there and activate the faucets on the left and the shower heads on the right. They spring to life and start spouting water into the pond below. After you walk through the opening, the water will stop and you can see the large cistern that stores the water. That in itself is part of the art and has a large pipe spilling water into it, refilling it. The water pumps that are next to the cistern are laid out nicely, and I liked seeing them there. It's kind of artsy, I don't know, it's really aesthetically pleasing. You can see the pipe work that feeds the faucets, and there's more to the small pond, which the faucets spill into, but there's nothing else really remarkable about the pond. That was just a quick look at this public piece of art, so until next time, see ya!